$5 per month, which is close to $9,000 per month. So this is the calculation which I show you right now, and I show you the actual strategy on how you can make $9,000 on YouTube without showing your face with affiliate marketing. And once again, you don't need to be on camera, you don't have to be monetized to run ads on your channel. It is all about affiliate marketing, how you can promote recurring products that pays you month after month. So let me show you one case study using this company called Teachable. So if I go on to Teachable, to their official website, so basically Teachable is a platform where they allow people to post and upload and host their online course on their platform. And they do actually have an affiliate program. If you go onto teachable.com, if you scroll down to the very bottom and you click on this link, which is called partners, click on that. That's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, it pays to partner with Teachable. You can refer people to Teachable and you can earn up to 30% commission by joining their affiliate program. So if you promote Teachable, and as you can see here, they have different price point depending on what packages you can sell. Their free packages $39 and $119 in a pro plan, and they pay you 30% commission every single month in recurring commissions as long as the user continue to subscribe and continue to use Teachable. So once again, I'll show you how to use YouTube using free traffic on YouTube without showing your face, how you can use YouTube to promote products like Teachable, and how you can earn 30% commission once you refer the initial sale, as long as the user continue to subscribe to Teachable every single month. They pay Teachable every single month. You get paid 30% of the revenue every single month as well, which is the calculation I showed you just now, $119 for a pro plan. So 30% commission every single sale that you refer, that you promote and you refer, you get paid around $35. That's just from one user per month. So right now, if you have 250 users per month that actively subscribing to Teachable through your link, once again, you get paid around $9,000. And the cool thing about this is passive income. Even if you decided not to promote anymore, not to work anymore, this money and this paycheck will still send into your inbox every single month as a recurring commission, which is the true definition of passive income. You do the work one time, make a video, promote Teachable, getting people to subscribe to Teachable, and they keep on subscribing, you keep on receiving commission month after month without working anymore. So as you can see here, become a Teachable partner, up to 30% commission. Our industry leading partner program give you recurring commission with a 90-day cookie window. I love recurring commission because why you get paid one time when you can get paid over and over again? Why you promote products that pay you only one commission one time only? Why not choose to promote a better quality products that pay you every single month in recurring, in residual income? And the good thing is that they have 90-day cookie window, meaning if you send people to their website, people click on your affiliate link, go to Teachable. If they decided not to buy yet, but within the 90 days, right, if they buy on any occasion within 90 days, the sale will still be credited to you because there's a cookie that lasts for 90 days. That's the meaning of that. So you have the opportunity to earn higher commission, up to 30%, right, as you drive more conversion. And here's the thing, you can send traffic once and earn over and over. Our members pay us monthly, which means we pay you monthly too. Once you refer a creator to us, you earn a recurring commission for as long as the creator is on Teachable. So let me show you a few real life examples on how you can make money on YouTube by using affiliate marketing, right? YouTube plus affiliate marketing, combine both of these together to earn recurring commissions. As you can see here, if I search on this keyword, best online course platform 2022, you can see a lot of people, they are making videos in this kind of topic, 7 best online course platform in 2022. So here's another similar videos, and right now you can see Udemy versus Skillshare, which is the best online course platform, and 5 best platform to sell online course. All of these videos, they are relevant to this search keyword here. So right now you gotta think, right, as a marketer, right now you're using YouTube as a platform, as a social media to get people's attention, and you want to get targeted traffic, right? People who might be interested in buying Teachable. So you gotta think, those people who want to buy Teachable, which is an online course platform, for sure they'll do their own due diligence to do research on Google and on YouTube. So what do they gonna search on YouTube? They're gonna search on best online course platform. They're gonna review and decide, right, amongst different choices and different decisions, which one is the best. So by creating these kind of videos that come in front of them when they search on this kind of keyword, if your video showed up, if your video ranked on top of this targeted search keyword, you can see that's how they are getting 30,000 views in 9 months ago, 8,000 views 8 months ago, 45,000 views 1 year ago.